All right, guys, let's take another look at multiplying fractions times a whole number. So you see our fraction 1/5, if we were to do that 3 times, there's a couple ways we can think about that. We can think about it as repeated addition. So we can do 1/5 and add it 3 times. And adding fractions, as you remember, is really simple. We've got our common denominator all the way through. That's going to stay. And we're going to look at our numerator. 1, 2, 3 fifths. That's one strategy on multiplying a fraction times a whole number. Another way to think about it would be a way that your parents would do it, because it's much, much quicker. You take the whole number times the numerator and just leave the denominator. And you'll see whether you do repeated addition or whole number times the numerator, keep the denominator the same, you get the same answer. So either strategy works really well. Let's take a look at a couple examples from iExcel today. So the first one is fractions on a number line. So they're taking the whole number 10 times 1/4. So the fraction is 1/4, and they're moving it 10 times. 10 times 1/4. And where do they end up? 10/4. Pretty simple. Now they're using the fraction 1/5, and they're doing that 6 times. So 1/5 times 6, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times they moved 1/5. And the answer is right here, 6/5. And again, 3 and 1/4. Here's their fraction 1/4. How many times are they doing it? 3 times. So you'll see it go once, twice, 3 times. And 3 times 1/4 is 3/4. This one, they are using the fraction 1/4, but they want to know how many whole numbers they're multiplying it by to get 6/4. So here's our fraction. How many times do they do it? Once, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 whole times. And this time they're giving us the whole number. What fraction are they multiplying by times 5 to get 5/3? Well, you can tell how far they moved on the number line. They moved 1/3. So the fraction they're multiplying by is 1/3, and you can see they did it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, there's your 5, to end up with an answer of 5/3. Now there's also iExcel S2, where you're not going to look at a number line, you're going to look at a model, a picture. So which picture shows the fraction 1/2, and you can see they're all cut in half. Which one shows 1/2 but 4 times? Well, if you look at this picture, 1, 2, 3, 4. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this would be 5 times 1/2. They're looking for this fraction. And now we're looking at 2 1/5, or 2 times 1/5. So you can see they're both cut up into 5 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which one has 1/5 down there twice? This one does. For 1, 2. How about 1/2 3 times? Well, you can see all the pictures are cut in half, but which one has it 3 times? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. And 1/8 times 4, or 4 times 1/8. You'll see both pictures are cut in the eighths. Which one has 4 1/8? Right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think you're going to find this multiplying fractions times a whole number to be fairly simple today, guys. Good luck.